Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here you will get to know how to get a German language course free of cost if you are living in Germany. So first what you have to do, you have to create a login ID and password and fill all the details and complete the account. You will get a login pin by post in 1 week. If you create your account, if you fill your in your account your existing email address with .com or any other email ID, but if you have .de, example web.de, with this domain you have an account, you have an email ID, then you will get in this web.de email ID pin immediately. Otherwise, if you have, for example, on gmail.com, on yahoo.com, then you will get in 1 week. Example, yahoo.com or gmail.com, etc. on any other, then you will get in 1 week by post. So after that, after receiving the login pin from the employment agency, from the Arbeitsagentur, you can access your account. Otherwise you can't access your account without without this login pin. And then you access when you access your account and you open your profile on this website agentur.de, you will see your Kunden number or customer number. Then this customer number, this Kunden number, you have to learn, or you can note down that number. You have to remember that number, because with this number, with this Kunden number only, you can be identified that you have registered on Arbeitsagentur.de. The next step is to call Arbeitsagentur and tell them your personal Kunden number, which I told about you now. Once you tell them your Kunden number, then they will ask your date of birth, your address, only for verification purpose. There is nothing any other purpose. Then they will note down your query of learning German language, as you will tell them that I want to learn German, and your level you can tell I have A2 level, so I want to learn B1, or you have A1 level, then you want to learn A2 or B2 or C1. Then they will forward your query to the mediator person, basically called Vermittler, and the Vermittler will call you personally and ask you that why you want to learn German and what are your qualifications and which level of German you want to learn, what is your current level, what type of job you are searching for, or in future which type of job you will do. So that document is called Gutschein. That document is called Berechtigungsschein or Gutschein. Mediator क्या है? Mediator is the person between Agentur für Arbeit and government. And government will fund your course or pay for your course. So the only thing you need to have patience. And this whole process can take 1 month. So apply as soon as possible. Start your procedure as soon as possible. And please do have patience. I have also followed this same procedure. That's why I'm making video on this topic, so that I can help others as well, because this procedure requires a lot of patience. So I got the German course free of cost, then you will also get yours. Then while the government is paying for us, for the migration background people, then why should we pay? So it's a very good thing that you apply and get your German course, whichever level you want to do. The only thing you need to have patience. Thanks for watching my video.